What's going on, guys? Welcome back to today's video. I know it's a little bit late, you can probably tell. It's getting dark outside. It's about 8 o'clock at night. It's a Friday night, so we're gonna go out, try and find some people to race, go to a little car meet, have some fun. I can't wait to bring you guys along. Stay tuned. But let's start up the Evo 8. Haven't started her in a few days. Oh, that cold start though. She's ready to eat some STIs up tonight. Did meet up with one of my buddies. His name is Vance. He drives a 2004 STI, and that car is pretty sick. It's a 2004, probably my favorite gen, and he's pushing a little over 300 wheels, so we're pretty sure that the Evo is gonna win, but we're gonna race regardless just so you guys can get content, because STI versus Evo, like, that's just like a thing that everybody wants to see. So stay tuned. We're gonna do that race and see if we can find anybody else. Dude, that was sick. I honestly thought I was gonna walk you harder than that. That was good, dude. That was a lot of fun, bro. Hell yeah. Well, you what? Oh, dude, it'd be nuts. STI is actually really fast. Guys, well, you saw the two races between me and the STI. This thing is honestly way faster than I thought, but we actually are waiting on a couple other people. I have two guys in Built Subarus, one in an STI, another guy in a WRX that want to line up and race. Not sure how it's gonna go. If my little E85 full bolt-on Evo can beat some Subarus tonight, like, I think that'd be awesome. So stay tuned. Hopefully we take some W's tonight and not any L's, because that would suck. Well, I had another buddy show up in his fully built STI, and I think I'm screwed. So my YouTube videos say 500 horsepower, but that's to the crank, and he's pushing right around 500 wheel on this thing. He wouldn't tell us what size turbo he has, but it's a pretty big old precision. Look at that intake. That's just nuts. But yeah, here's what we're gonna race. We're screwed, but we're still gonna have fun. So if I lose, I mean, it's a 500 horsepower STI. 400 horsepower Evo, well, to the wheels. So, sure. You honk, I don't have a horn. All right. Gonna do a 40, let's go. Dude, that guy's STI is fully built, big turbo, some type of precision turbo, I'm not sure what. But honestly, I mean, I didn't do too bad for him being probably 500 to 600.